Hello, I'm Miss Maribaha, and I've been having some kids have trouble use some features on Zoom, so I'm just going to do a quick video on how to use the features on Zoom. So I'm just going to start with how we join a meeting. So I'm going to go up to here and click zoom.us, push enter, and then I'm going to move this over, and then I'm going to go over here, and it's going to say join a meeting. We're going to put the meeting number in. Don't put this one in. This is just for today so I can show you the video. Put the meeting number that I gave you. It's meeting ID. Goes right here, the one I give you for your time and your kid. I'm going to push join. And this is going to pop up. Open Zoom. Then we're going to be sharing. Okay, I'm already, see, join with computer, audio computer. I'm going to put this up here. Okay. Now we're in the Zoom meeting, and I'm sharing the whiteboard. So this is what they'll see. Okay, it'll be a big whiteboard, and at the top will be this green bar that says Christy Maribaha screen, and then it'll say view options. So right here at the top, I'm going to click view options, and I'm going to touch annotate, and now this comes up, and we can draw. So I could draw like this. We can change the colors. We can also use the thicker draw. We can make shapes. We can make arrows. We can make filled shapes. We can use the stamp button. Sometimes we use the stamp button. Stamp some check marks there. We can erase everything that we did. We'll only be erasing our stuff. We will not be erasing the teacher's stuff. And we can type something in. And then we can always clear everything. Okay, so hopefully that cleared some things up. You just go to the top of the screen and it'll say view options, and you click view options and then click annotate, and the kids should be able to do everything in the Zoom lesson that they need. Okay, thank you. Bye.